So you're struggling with allergies and you're looking for a solution, right? You want to breathe easy in your own home. And that's where the Levoit Air Purifier comes in. It's a game changer. It's a device that's designed to make your life easier by cleaning the air you breathe. And it's perfect for people like you who suffer from allergies or asthma. The Levoit Air Purifier is a fantastic machine that's packed with features like a CADR of 391 CFM, which means it can clean the air in a room fast. It covers a huge area of 2,933 square feet, so you can use it in large spaces. The filtration system is top-notch, capturing 99.97% of particles, including dust, pollen, and pet dander, and it's super quiet, with a noise level of just 26 dB, so you can use it in your bedroom or living room without any distractions. The spec breakdown is impressive, with a pre-filter that captures large particles, a true HEPA filter that captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, and an activated carbon filter that removes odors and gases. It's also got a built-in sensor that monitors the air quality and automatically adjusts the fan speed to ensure the air is always clean. And with its Energy Star certification, you don't have to worry about your electricity bill. It's designed to be energy efficient, so you can run it 24/7 without breaking the bank. The Levoit Air Purifier can also operate in a wide range of temperatures, from 14 to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, making it perfect for use in any room or even in an office setting. I've been using it in my home, and I can already feel the difference. The air feels cleaner, and my allergies have been acting up way less. I've also noticed that my sinuses are clearer, and I don't wake up with that stuffy feeling in my nose and throat. It's been a total game changer for me, and I'm sure it will be for you too. The Levoit Air Purifier is also really easy to use. Just plug it in, turn it on, and let it do its thing. The controls are simple and intuitive, and it's got a timer, so you can set it to run for a certain amount of time and then turn off. In real-world use, the Levoit Air Purifier has been amazing. I've used it in my living room, and it's made a huge difference. The air feels fresher and cleaner, and my family and I can all breathe easy. I've also used it in my bedroom, and it's been a lifesaver. I can finally get a good night's sleep without waking up with allergy attacks. The Levoit Air Purifier is also great for pet owners. It captures pet dander and odors, so you can keep your home clean and fresh, even with furry friends around. Overall, I'd give the Levoit Air Purifier a solid 9 out of 10. It's a great product that's definitely worth considering. If you're in the market for an air purifier, it's effective, quiet, and energy efficient. So if you found this review helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more product reviews. And don't forget to turn on those notifications so you can stay up to date with all my latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.